All right, so the listing system, all right, standards, what will you take? Okay, pre-qualification, pre-listing, the presentation, and your plan of action. By the way, all of that's in the VAC or the scripts or in your book. You have the book of everything, okay? All right, so note, for each one of these steps you skip, you will reduce your effectiveness by 33%. Very important to know that. And those three steps are pre-qual, pre-listing package, and the presentation. I guess the presentation would be hard to skip, but the other two you may try. All right, mastering the listing presentation. Okay, we're on 49 now. You guys have to start writing, okay? Okay, for those new people, okay, in not that book, that's your script book. You want to be in the other book. Here you go, page 49. Yep. You want to be in the workbook now. The one that says Real Estate Success Series right in the front of it. Or Real Estate Success, it says. All right, so the first one, have a great source of marketing material. Where's that, by the way? In the VAC. All the marketing material you could possibly need is in the VAC. What do you have to add to our marketing material? There's two things.
Our information.
Yes, your information is one. What's the second one?
An updated picture.
An updated. I would have said current, but I like updated too. That means how you look now. Thank you. I've got some of your Facebook requests. Some of you need to update your picture.
I haven't used Facebook in years.
Okay. All right.
So my pictures are when I was like 18, 20.
Yeah, I'll take your picture.
That was 2 years ago?
I'm 30.
That was a compliment.
No, yeah, but I'm 30. I act like I'm 10.
Okay. All right, so have a great source of marketing material. All of that's in the BAC. Next one says become a great presenter. And like what did Rochelle say? So I practiced for 6 months, and then I eventually felt comfortable. Now, when she says practice for 6 months, she's talking about that disc you have. She's talking about that 31-minute disc. That's what she's talking about. And she used to write out the listing presentation one line at a time, like you guys. You know, I'm serious.
I've done that.
Yeah, I met her when I was a Mike Ferry coach, and she was a Mike Ferry coach with me forever. It works, doesn't it?
It's easy to memorize it when you do that.
Yeah. However you learn. I mean, how did you learn in school? All right, some of you, never mind. Like me, I didn't. But how did you memorize stuff?
Photographic memory.
She's talking about memorizing a poem, and I felt like saying, I went to Catholic schools. We didn't memorize poems. That's funny. Memorize the New Testament. Anyway, become a great presenter. Which is a great book, by the way, don't get me wrong. I love that book. Become a great presenter. Mimic and match your personality style, your client's personality style. Okay? That's when Rochelle had big gains, when she started mimic and matching. Because she used to say stuff like, expressions are stupid. Seriously, can you see her saying that?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, they're so annoying. I go, do you want a contract signed? Then become annoying. Right? You have to be and present to the personality style you're talking to. I mean, only if checks are important. Remember my line? Be right. Do you want to be right or do you want to be paid? Now, if you're married, do you want to be right or do you want to be happy? Thank you. I'll be here till tomorrow at 4:30. Actually 4. All right. Pre-qualify all your clients 100% of the time. Every one of you will violate that. Just so you know. Why will you violate the pre-qualification process? By the way, you hear my voice now because I said it loud on purpose. Why will you violate the pre... Did you see what she did when she set my appointment? That line she said, if what I say makes sense and you feel comfortable and confident that I can sell your home, are you planning on... That's the My Ferry pre-qual script. I use it all the time. And so she would have kept going on that script, but we were done with the role play. That's the pre-qual script. Okay? And you got to know the questions on the pre-qual script. Very important. It's like if you go in to see a doctor and they ask you all kinds of questions. That's pre-qualifying. Okay? You look unprofessional when you don't pre-qualify. Remember that. Okay? So pre-qualify 100% of the time. Think in terms of questions, not answers. Ask questions. Ask questions. Dig deeper. So think always, when you get people to self-discover as opposed to telling them, it's so much more powerful. Check your ego at the door. Remember, your ego is not your amigo in a selling situation. Ever. What does ego mean in a selling situation?
Okay,
Remember my little Nerf earth?
You lose.
What are you talking about yourself?
Exactly, that's what I mean. Talking about yourself. Okay, don't take this the wrong way. They don't care. Are they hiring you to tell them about you?
No.
No, they're hiring you to help them with their favorite subject themselves. It's just a fact. All right, so that as long as you play that, that's the way to go. And when you get nervous, you can't help it. You start talking about yourself. Okay, I'm telling you, if you can do as little as that, you're an interesting, wonderful person, no doubt. But they're hiring you for them. Could you imagine? I go to the doctor. Yeah, I got that back. He goes, yeah, she's last week. You don't even believe what happened. Has a doctor ever done that to you?
No.
Think about it. Or a dentist. No, because that's not their job. But we start telling stories. Oh, I'll tell you about the first house I bought. They don't care. Just remember, they don't care. Now, if they ask me, what do you think? I'm going to tell them. But I'm going to stay on their favorite subject, them. That's how I get contracts. I mean, think about this. She said confidence. Remember that? Now, do you believe, Suzanne, do you believe you're the best person to help them when you go to their house?
I do.
Absolutely. Do you believe you're the best person to help them? Okay.
I did dishes on Saturday when I was at Austin apartment.
See that? She did dishes on Saturday.
The lady wanted to make lunch, so I did the dishes.
Oh, did she just throw them in the trash can?
She signed.
I'm just kidding. Great job. Yeah. Okay, who was it this morning that said, I was knocking on the door and the guy said, can you help me clean my garage on Saturday? I'll list with you. Right? So you could do all kinds of things.
Oh, Cynthia.
Yeah, Cynthia, thank you. All right, okay, check your ego at the door. Upgrade everything. There's a good one. Upgrade, next one is upgrade everything. Now, I didn't say go buy a Mercedes you can't afford. That's not what I said. Upgrade everything means when you go on a listing presentation, wear a suit or business attire. All right, it means learn what to say. It means use your branded stuff that we have in this VAC. That's what I'm talking about. Doesn't matter what kind of car you have as long as it's clean. Like I never park in the driveway, I always park in front of the house. I do all kinds of things, okay, to show respect to people too. So upgrade everything. Share your energy and enthusiasm. I mean, Rochelle was pretty energetic and enthusiastic, right? Somebody even said to me, I thought she'd be expressive. And that's what her goal is, actually, to come across as more expressive. All right, share your energy and enthusiasm. Practice like a pro.
That was madman.
Huh?
That was madman.
Madman?
Practice like a madman.
Practice like a madman. That'll work too. And have a script and follow it 100% of the time. You'll all violate that too. It's okay. It's a learning process. Okay, have a script and follow 100%.